Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to size your images for your Etsy listing. They have made, Etsy basically made some updates, and as you can see, the listing photos are now square and they look different on iPads, on tablets, phone, and so on. But first of all, they always look square. So for the best look, we need to focus that the listing photo, at least the thumbnail, looks great square, but is not square itself. So as you can see, this photo has cropped a little bit of the mug, but it still looks great. And when you open it up, or for example, let's choose another one. Well, the mug actually looks great square, but I would still suggest to do it more of a rectangle than a square one. So the requirements for the listing images, as you can see, they have made the updates on 2023, but basically they display square photos. And now the requirements on their page, as you can see, the first photo in a listing should be horizontal, landscape, or square. But basically, if you will do just a square one, you may have some problems and they will crop your thumbnail views. So basically, it will look different on a phone, on desktop, on a tablet. And you can actually read all of this, how to crop your photos. But what I suggest is actually to do a horizontal one, but focus all of the writing, all of the headings in the middle. So when we go ahead, and here is my designs, which I'm going to use, for example, I'm going to use this one for my listing thumbnail. Now you need to size your listing photo. As you can see, it's not all the square, it has some of the corners here, and the size of it is actually 2667, 2667, and 2000 in height. And that's what we want to use. Just make sure to do this size and your photos will definitely look great on the listing. Now we can also add some, let's add some writing. For example, let's add a heading. What you want to do is actually focus on this square space, because these ones will be cropped when you upload it, and it will look not great if your writing will be all of the here. Basically, it will crop the words. So you want to do this in the middle somewhere here. We can also add some elements like for the writing to pop up, like so. And let's put something like that. And now you can write here t-shirt. Let's write it down for the sake of this video. As you can see, it's now too long, so we have to make it smaller. And it should look good now on the listing. Basically, you need to focus in the middle. The sizing is, as I said, 2667 and 2000 pixels in height. So yeah, guys, that's how you size your listing photos. They will look great then. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.